Welcome back. This is Sandy with Sandy's Organized Chaos, and I have some new additions to my glitter shop. Now, for those of you who don't know, I have recently separated my tumbler shop from my glitter shop. So now you can find my glitter shop at www.socglitters.com, which is still on Etsy. I just happen to own the URL, so that way it makes it easier for people to find if you need to. Today is Saturday, August 8th, and I am not launching these new glitters until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time tonight. So I'm just showing you this video now so you can decide if you'd like to buy some or not tonight when it comes around. I am also going to be restocking some glitters that have sold out, so those will be available as well for those of you who know what has sold out, like my black diamond, and I think my aquamarine sold out, so those will be available too. So let's get to showing you guys these new glitters. First up is Moonstone. Now this is a milky iridescent opal, and it has just really light hints of greens and pinks and oranges and some slight browns in there as well. This is an absolutely beautiful color. As you can see right here, when it's completely under epoxy, it just really looks like that moonstone rock that you'd see on a gemstone. There are so many different size cuts of glitter in here. I really wanted to make sure that I hit every aspect of those sizes, so that way when you put it onto your tumblers or you applied it to your epoxy or whatever you want to make with it, it just really gives off that milky iridescent glow. The next two are just real fun dots that I wanted to add. So these are called spooky dots, which I thought would be fun because Halloween is right around the corner. So that will be available as well. And the next one I call jamboree dots, which is a laser etched metallic dot, which I also think is pretty fun if you want to do a teacher's cup with it or whatever you'd like to do with it. I think it had just real pretty fun colors in it. This next one is called Hot Pink. Now, this is a super vibrant hot pink color, and it almost has flashes of purple in it as well, because that color is just so rich and deep. And just like Moonstone, there are many different facets of sizes in this glitter as well. And as you can see here, you can see all that fuchsia and hot pink and flashes of purple that are in it. Again, today is Saturday, August 8th, and these glitters will not be available until tonight at 8:30 Eastern Standard Time. I just wanted to give you guys a heads up and let you kind of look over everything. Now, those will be available along with all my other glitters that I just recently replenished as well. So I hope to see you guys there. And you can find those at www.socglitters.com. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys next time.